another self-flying drone video here in beautiful Kidsgrove, 14th of May to Tuesday, and we're going to go and check out the bluebells. We are a little bit late, but let's see what we can see and whether they're looking good or bad. Normally film these about 2 weeks ago, but they are still there, but they're not spectacular as they normally are. Yeah, the bluebells are actually dying off quite a lot now, which is a shame, but we can still do the walk. So come and follow us through the woods. Again, you can see the bluebells a little bit here. So sorry we've missed the bluebells for you. We were in Florida, and unfortunately I did lose my voice over the last week, so unable to do a lot of these videos for you. But yeah, there's still plenty of bluebells all around here. Beautiful time of the year. Hope you're enjoying all the videos we're bringing you from Florida. They certainly have been spectacular. Lots and lots of views from you guys, so thank you so much for that. And we're currently working on more videos from Kidsgrove the bygone days. Let's continue the walk. Okay, let's continue this walk. I thought it was going to be a lot more muddier, so we did have a serious amount of rainfall on Sunday. Now, I did this walk a couple of months ago and none of the leaves were out. Just look how beautiful it is now. Absolutely gorgeous. And just a few, again, reminders of the bluebells there. Yeah, they're certainly all dying off, unfortunately. So we haven't done a self-flying drone adventure for a while, so keep on joining me and let's see what we can see walking through beautiful Kidsgrove today. I wonder how old some of these trees are. It's amazing. A really good shot of the bluebells there. That's a pretty good shot of it actually. I don't know if the drone will kind of follow me as we go in here, but that's a pretty good view of the bluebells. Okay, let's head back out of the foliage there and back up more into the woods. Yeah, I really wished I'd filmed these about 2 weeks ago. It would have been absolutely beautiful then. Beautiful night. quite mild as well. And the time is 6:45 p.m. Nice and quiet through here. Not many walkers. So we're at the point where, when I was a kid, I used to be able to see over to Ravenscliff Road, but the trees are an awful lot bigger now. So these are the woods at the side as Boathorse Road. Let's check out this tree, it's amazing. Absolutely fabulous. Okay, let's see if the drone will follow me through these lead areas. It's doing a pretty good job, it's got through. Let's go down, it's a little bit more muddier here. Really muddy actually. Wow. But you know what? Great shot of the bluebells. So this is the purpose of this video, is to show you these beautiful bluebells here in May 2024. And I think that's absolutely perfect, isn't it? Beautiful bluebells. Okay, let's head back a bit further along here out of this mud. Always love an adventure. Now I did take the self-flying drone to Florida, but it was just so busy. Never really had the chance to fly it properly. So here we go, let's continue the walk back towards Bathpool Park. I hope you're enjoying this beautiful walk with me tonight. Certainly somewhere very different. Always enjoy this walk. Never gets old. So again, you guys are probably wondering, how do I know the drone's following me? Got it on this little screen here, so I can see exactly. It's right behind us and doing a pretty amazing job. Let's have a look at standing on the top of here. So there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, but beautiful video, showing you the bluebells of Kidsgrove 2024. And of course, if you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel, keep enjoying the content that we're creating, and we'll see you guys real soon.